All right, guys, we got an awesome product here. This is the Psalmonica. This is their hair growth serum, and we're about to pop it in and check it out. Shows you all the cool features with regards to it from top to bottom and has directions. So after washing hair, blow dry, spray on the root hair massage for 5 to 10 minutes, use multiple times a day, and no need to rinse after use. So I've already got out of the shower. This is definitely on the dry side for me, so we're going to be using that. Actually, I might snag another towel here from the kiddos and see if we can get this dried up real good. So there we have it, just like so. And then you're gonna spray 5 to 10 sprays in it, and then you do not need to do anything other than massage it in. So let's go ahead and pop it open so we see what we are working with and see the actual product itself. So here's the product here again, just taking a good look at it, the Hair Growth Serum, just like so. With all that, don't swallow, don't do any of that stuff. It's 17 fluid ounces, really cool little thing. And then all you want to do, just pop this open. 5 things, and then we're gonna take and massage it in. Now it says do this for a good 5 minutes to 10 minutes. So we're gonna make sure we do that. So anytime I do this, obviously following the directions is super important. So we got a little bit of this in here, and then we're gonna come in, and that's gonna allow us to dry up the hair. You can do this multiple times a day. So whatever you're looking for, you're able to just pop this in without any issues. Getting yourself a good level of stuff in there. Now, for 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to run through that. You're not going to dry it out. You're not going to do anything. You're just going to put this in there, and then you're going to go along with your day. Guys, this is Psalmonica. This is their stuff. Can you smell it?
Yeah.
I don't think there's any smell to this. I think it is.
Well, there is something smelling.
You think so?
Yeah.
Let's see. What do we got in here? Maybe a little rosemary action. A little something like that. I can definitely feel maybe the head tightening up a little bit. I don't know if that is me rubbing on my hair and scalp at all. But as I massage it in, I'm definitely feeling really good. Guys, you definitely got to check this out if you're looking for Hair Growth Serum and check it out.